Hey guys, so today is Sunday. What we have to do today is I have to finish welding that part over there, as there's not much room there. I can't show you what I'm doing there. So yesterday evening I cut out that big piece that was completely rusted out. I cut it out, I made a template, put the new sheet there, welded it in. The welds were so embarrassing that when I came here to the garage today, I grinded down the welds so I could show that spot to you. So I have to now fix the welds where there wasn't enough of it, or then I'm gonna prep the spring plate and fix some other places of the frame, and then after all of that we're gonna come to this place. So I have big plans for today. I hope I can accomplish them. So yeah, let's get to it. So I'm making a update for you. I got the steel sheet right there fitted. So next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this upper spring plate, I'm gonna cut away this part of the frame that has remained, and I'm gonna cut it away, and this is the part that I'm gonna reuse. Gonna set you up. as much rust as I could. Now I'm gonna test fit it. So let's go. Ah! So it's pretty straightforward. This is gonna get welded here, like this. No, it's like this. I'm gonna weld it here like this. Gonna cut a few ribs right here, and then we can put the car together. So yeah, next thing we have to do is I'm gonna take this. Let's see, let's put some more light over here. So as you saw, this right here, which keeps the spring from escaping or getting out, this came off. So now I got to make something new and replace it. So it's 6 o'clock on a Sunday, and I didn't get to finish what I hoped for. So this is the welded body mount. I know it's crooked. The welds are, well, garbage. So you have to excuse me for that. But the body mount is crooked right now. It's not that big of a deal because there's some playroom. They don't match up right now because the car is lifted up like a bit crooked as well. Why I did it like this is because, as you can see, the car is so rusted out that I didn't have a place to weld it in correctly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna patch up the other side, and then I'm gonna drive it a little because I need to get this car out of the way. I need to build the Audi for a special event, and yeah,